Hey guys, it's Maymay and welcome to another Stamp Club reveal. And this is the original club. This is the one that releases the first of the month. And we're very excited about this. And I'll tell you why. Because where we live, we don't get a lot of snow. So we decide we're just going to manufacture our own. And so that's literally what we did. Shannon and I have been wanting kind of a filler set, one that would really kind of puff up our winter cards and make them look really, I don't know, fuller and more authentic maybe. So check this one out. I'm going to flip this over. Look at this. It is so cute. It is called Snow Day, which I love because if you ever come to Alabama and you ever talk to a child here, the thing they wait on is a snow day. We never get them. Well, what, every 3 years maybe we get a snow day? Shannon's in the room with me. Maybe every 3 years. So maybe this is our year. But check this out. You get this snow border. I'm going to show you how I use it in a minute in my samples. You get 3 sentiments. Thank you, snow much. This one says, flaky friends stick together. But this is my favorite. Love you more than a kid loves a snow day. And there is nothing more accurate than that. You also get all of these snowflakes in different sizes. And if you remember, we had the stamp set called Fancy Flurries, but it wasn't really snowflakes. We kind of played with those and made them a little different. But this one is more the size that we wanted for our everyday cards. And for samples, I'm going to show you something I did. I love craft cardstock and snow. I just think it looks beautiful. So I want to show you an idea I had for you. Number one, you're going to see craft done with white. So on this one, I took that border and went up the side, and then I used the snowflakes falling down, and then just my white pen to kind of fill in the gaps. And I want you to see this. I want to see if it'll show up on camera. I also used some of the little clear, the Hero Arts kind of raindrop looking doolies. I thought that would look cool to give it a little bit of shine. And so that is craft and white ink. And I get so many questions about what is my favorite white ink. This is my favorite, the British Monroe Pigment Ink. I love it. It actually dries. It takes its time. It is not quick. It takes its time to dry, but it does dry and I love it. So that's the white ink that I used. Now we're going to transition craft into another color. I thought this would be pretty neat. I did it in black. So we have it in white and in black. And you might think you can't do snowflakes in black, but look how pretty that turned out. I think that looks gorgeous. And all I did here was the border 3 times. I put it in my Misty and I did it here and then I slid it and then I turned it around and did it here. And I used the flaky friends stick together sentiment. And I think that turned out great. Now for the wild card, like what's the other thing? So we've got black and white, right? You know I had to do red. How is this so Maymay, right? But look at this. I loved how this turned out, and I got to tell you how I did this. So this is a whole piece, it's a 4" by 5 1/4 piece of craft, and I put this in the Misty and stamped snowflakes in this corner, okay? Then I turned it around and did it again, so I got both corners stamped with snowflakes. Then this is a strip of white cardstock. It is not, these are not panels. They look like panels, but this is just a strip of white cardstock, and this is a strip of red that I border punched to get that scallop look. I feel like this looks very Scandinavian, you know, that kind of red and white and tan look that they do. Of course, they do a lot of different colors, but I think that's pretty. And I was able to use every sentiment to show you how that works. But how fun. Here's what I want to tell you. You should challenge yourself something like this. You should say, you know what? I'm going to pick one thing and use it 3 different ways and see what you get out of it. This is a very fun thing to do, and I enjoyed this very much. I hope you enjoy these samples. I thought they were super fun. They're also very easy. These are cards that would be perfect for you to make as a gift because you could make a stack of these in no time, put them together in a cute package, and it'd be a great gift for Christmas to give to somebody for friends and family. And if you're like us, and some of you aren't, but a lot of you are, our winter starts late, so we don't have winter yet. We won't have snow till January if we get it. Sometimes we've gone as late as March, and when I was 13, we had a snow in April, and I know that's crazy, but we did. So you have plenty of time for snow days coming up. So that is our club set for this month. What I need you guys to do when you get your set, put it, do a sample, do one of these, do something and let us see it. Put it on our customer gallery, and you are entered to win a $50 gift card just by putting a picture of your project up. And we have a winner from last month. That person's name will be in the top line of the description of this video. So just click the More button, and it'll drop down, and you can see who won last month's prize. We'll also email the winner. And you might be wondering, is this stamp set available to everyone? It is. You don't have to be a club member to get it. It's a little more expensive if you're not in the club. You pay $1 more for the stamp set, and you do have to pay shipping. Where in the club, you get the set for $11.99, and you don't pay shipping. In the US, $13.49, and you don't pay shipping outside of the US. So there you go, guys. Thanks so much for being a part of our club. This one was a fun one, and this is one of those that won't leave your desk for months because you'll use it for all of winter. So until next time, bye now.